Hello and welcome back. Now we'll talk about the remaining portion of chapter number 7, combustion and flame. Let's see methods of controlling fire. First is by using water. Water is the most common fire extinguisher. It can be used only when materials like wood, paper, etc. are on fire. Water cannot be used if electrical equipments are on fire because water conducts electricity and can harm those trying to put out the fire. Water cannot be used to pull out oil and petrol fire because they float on the water and continues to burn. Next method of controlling fire is by using carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the best fire extinguisher to put out fire caused by inflammable materials like oil and petrol and electrical equipments. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air and it covers the fire and cut off the supply of oxygen and put out the fire. Carbon dioxide is stored at high pressure as liquid in cylinders. Chemicals like sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, potassium bicarbonate produce carbon dioxide near the fire. Now we'll talk about types of combustion. Mainly there are three types of combustion: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosion. Rapid combustion is combustion in which a substance burns rapidly and produces heat and light with the help of external heat. Example: burning of LPG. Spontaneous combustion is combustion in which a substance burns spontaneously and produces heat and light without the help of external heat. Example: phosphorus burns spontaneously at room temperature. Explosion: it is a combustion in which a substance burns suddenly and produces heat, light, and sound with the help of heat or pressure. Example: explosion of crackers on applying heat or pressure. Types of combustion example you can see in the figure: rapid combustion, which shows how LPG gas stoves burns. Spontaneous combustion is also here, as well as explosion. Now we'll talk about flame. Flame is the zone of combustion of a combustible substance. Substances which vaporizes during burning produce flames. Example: kerosene, wax, etc. Substances which do not vaporize during burning do not produce flames. Example: coal, charcoal, etc. Here it is saying that some of the substance burns with flame and some of the substances burns without flame. The substances which vaporizes during burning produces flame, and the substances which does not vaporize during burning does not produces flames. Example: kerosene and wax and coal and petroleum respectively are the examples of substance which vaporizes and substance which does not vaporize to give flame.